Hey folks, Serpent Trader here with another weekly stocks to watch video. And first up is Cora Gold, ticker symbol CORA. Really interesting candle on the weekly chart, and it happened at a nice level of support. Although the volume is a bit lower than I would have liked to see on a reversal. Maybe we get a bit more volume next week, break this current downtrend. It certainly is one to watch this week. Just cut into the daily chart to check on that volume. Most of this week's move was on Friday, and the volume was a little bit above average, but we definitely want to see more volume come in this week to confirm that reversal. So let's get back to the weekly chart, just like that. And if you're interested, easy stop level, it's just under the last low, and target wise there's some resistance around 8p, then 10p, then you have this longer term trend line, this trend line here, and if we clear all that, 16 to 18p would look odds on with a potential long term target up at the top trend line, although this is a logarithmic chart, so you would get a bit of a nosebleed up there. Next up is Panther Metals, ticker symbol PALM, which is following the theme of this week with a nice looking candlestick, but not quite with a supporting volume again. But you can see it's had a nice strong bounce from strong support level. Actually sold off a bit on Friday, and the daily RNS is showing it slightly overbought. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it sell off a little bit more into next week. But on the weekly this support looks really strong, and it's got a clear run up to 15p, which is definitely that lower target. If it can break this 15p level, there's a lot of clear air above due to this huge gap area, so you'd have to take your own guess how far it could move. Last up on my weekly radar is Purple Bricks, and it's a stock I thought about covering 4 weeks ago when you had this great reversal candle with good volume as well. Since then it's had a good rally and almost, but not quite, filling this first gap area. It's now showing some early signs of support around the 22p level, and if we get a good week this week, I could see the first gap level getting filled and challenging the gap above, probably over the next few weeks or so. You also have this anchored VWAP around here, which might provide an interesting target. Higher end target here I would guess would be around 60-65p, and at that level you'd be pretty much getting fair value for the company. So as always, if you got anything from the video, smash the thumbs up button. The disclaimer bit is do your own research. Anything in this video is not advice, purely for entertainment purposes only. Any chart you would like me to look at, drop a comment down below, send me a tweet. I think 3 stocks to highlight is a pretty good number, but I may do some more in some weeks or less depending on what's going on my watch list or stocks that have caught my attention during the week. If you have any thoughts on the format, drop me a comment down below. Anyway, hope you all have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video.